In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit submissions in Jotform. If you've collected responses and noticed a typo, an updated detail, or an answer that needs correction, Jotform makes it straightforward to update the original entry while keeping your data organized. First, open your Jotform dashboard and go to My Forms. This is the hub where all your forms live. Click the form you want to work with so it's selected. Next, click Submissions. This takes you into Jotform tables for that form, which displays your responses in a clean, spreadsheet-style view. Think of tables as your command center for reviewing, sorting, and managing entries. In tables, find the submission you want to edit. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of entries, use the built-in search and sorting to narrow it down and be sure you've got the correct one. When you've identified the right row, hover your cursor over that submission. On the far right, you'll see a 3 dots menu appear. Click those 3 dots, then choose Edit Entry. This opens the original submission inside the live form, with the respondent's answers already filled in. You're working directly on the existing entry, not creating a new one, which helps prevent duplicates. Move through the form just as you would when filling it out and update any fields that need changes. Jotform will still follow your form's rules, so required fields must remain completed, and any conditional logic or validation will apply to your edits. Take a moment to review for accuracy, especially if these details trigger approvals, calculations, or notifications in your workflow. When everything looks correct, click Submit to save the edits. This replaces the previous values with your updated information. After submitting, you'll return to Jotform tables where you can confirm the row now reflects your changes. If the table doesn't refresh instantly, give it a moment to update. A quick tip on accuracy and accountability. Review entries carefully before submitting your edits and only change what's necessary. If multiple team members manage submissions, make sure the person editing has the appropriate permissions so changes are intentional and consistent with your process. That's the full workflow. Start in My Forms, select the form, open Submissions to view your data in Jotform tables, hover over the correct row, use the 3 dots menu to pick Edit Entry, make your updates in the form, and click Submit to save. With this method, you can correct errors quickly and keep your records clean, reliable, and up to date.